back to another Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing. This is the February 2022. I almost said 2021. Full disclosure. We're 4 months into the year. I'm still saying 2021. Because although this is for February, we're in April right now, as of filming. It's April 2nd as of filming. So, who knows when this will go up, but I'm still trying to train my brain. Hey, it's 2022, not 2021. Anyway, so let's open it up, find a little newspapery thing. There it is. Okay, so that's what the cover looks like on it. So, Ipsy Glam Bag X, February 2022, curated by Addison Ray, issue number 5. Explore Addison's picks. Turn the page to discover all her go-tos. Get to know your curator. She takes the Ipsy quiz. Score even more item beauty, plus a major money on page 7. Flash forward. Get in, friends. We're tripping back to the 90s. Hell yeah! I'm so excited to share my Ipsy Glam Bag X collection with you. If you're anything like me, you're completely obsessed with iconic throwback looks like Cindy Crawford's voluminous blowout from her Pepsi commercial and all the warm brown makeup in The Craft. I filled my GBX collab with everything you need to take a trip back to the 90s. Think soft smoky eyes, fluffy hair, brick red lips, and more. All with modern twists that feel fresh and new, just like my Netflix movie, He's All That, a remake of the 1999 cult classic. My mom was a makeup artist in the 90s, and she has an archive of amazing photos from that time. I envy her. This collection was a special way to pay tribute to my mom and this era of beauty. Join me as I dive into a decade of epic beauty inspo and have fun with my favorite looks, products, and beauty moments throughout the years. Okay, Addison's most trusted products, curated just for you. So, we're not going to read off everything. We're just going to, kind of dig through the bag and, see what we actually got. Some of these I've gotten in other beauty boxes, so there is that. I know the Rhodial I've gotten before. I think it might have even been in another Glam Bag X, but, and some of them I've gotten from Trend Mood. Some of them I've gotten from BoxyCharm. They all kind of overlap a bit, let's be real. So, let's see. Is this one of them? Yes! So, this is the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Hydrate Primer, and it retails for $32. This is full size. It says, when life gets busy, a good primer like this is key for like this one is key for makeup that looks. You know what? I'm gonna start that over because clearly my dyslexia is jumping line to line here, so. When life gets busy, a good primer like this one is key for makeup that looks fresh for hours and lasts all day. This top-rated formula uses hyaluronic acid and shea butter to hydrate skin and create a smooth canvas for foundation and concealer. Addison's tip, dot this on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin, then blend it out. A little goes a long way. Will do. What color is it? Does it have a color? Is it clear? I don't know. Let's look. Decent sized tube. Oh, it's got a little foil on it. Okay, I'm not gonna take the foil off until I'm ready to start using it, because I don't want it to, start the clock on it before I'm ready, have it go bad before I even touch it, so. Alright, so we'll just set that down for now. Okay, this. I feel like I've gotten this before. Possibly. Or something from the same line. Let's see. Is it listed? So far, I'm not seeing it. No, it's here. Okay, this is the Attitude Waffle Hair Towel for $32. Whether you have stick straight strands or 4C curls, this hair towel can help cut down on drying time thanks to moisture-absorbing bamboo fabric. It's ironic because I have recently discovered the magic of those hair drying towels. And I went from having none of them and just using a normal ass towel on my hair to now having 5 of them over the span of a couple months. But I can always use more. So, oh, yep, it's definitely one of those. Oh, I love the way this feels. This may be my favorite one. Like, aesthetically, it's very plain, but the feel on this. Ooh. Ooh, I'm liking how soft and silky that is. For bamboo, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay, let me refold it back into the bag for now, but I'm actually really stoked about that, because the other ones I have are just, like, regular terry cloth-like ones, so to have one that's, like, actually a different fabric, and one that's potentially better, probably, honestly, better for your hair, too. The only thing that gives me hesitation is because I color my hair, and because a little bit of pigment does come off each time I wash it. It's gonna stain the shit out of this, and it being a light color, I'm like, aw, that's unfortunate. But again, if I'm the only one using it, I'm the only one seeing it, who cares? I just feel bad knowing that it's kind of expensive, but, ah well. Anyway, next up, we have got, let's see, I think I saw this. Yep, the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. This is $75 for this. This is full size. Like, is it gonna sing to me when I use it? $75, my god! Most hair masks take time to work their magic, but what if you're in the rush? Addison swears by this fast-acting mask. Comb it through shampooed and towel-dried skip conditioner hair. Wait 4 minutes before styling and that's it. No rinsing required. Alright, I'm intrigued. You win. I'll probably be trying that soon. Okay. Next up. Ooh, I see First Aid Beauty. You know I love First Aid Beauty. Is this one? It is! Wow, I actually got a lot of stuff on the first page this time. Makes up for last time being such a bust. So, this is, if it'll focus, okay, you can kind of see it. Love the aesthetic of the color. The First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. And this little guy is $42. Like, my god. So, even sensitive skin will love this non-irritating brightening serum. The gentle formula uses niacinamide. It's known for its ability to help reduce inflammation and regulate pigment production to boost your glow. Addison's tip, use this every night to spot treat those annoying post-breakout dark marks. Well, I actually already have a product for that. It's the Hero Lightning Wand, but I mean, I'll give this a shot. I love First Aid Beauty, so just saying. But the Lightning Wand is way cheaper, so also uses niacinamide. Just saying. Okay, what do we got? Ooh, I see. I was wrong. I thought this was going to be a Bliss product, but it's a Tula one. So this is page 2. Is it here? So far, I'm not seeing it. Maybe it's not listed this time. It's not. Well, this is the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. Oh, okay. The perfect do-it-all night and day moisturizer. This lightweight, non-greasy, yet nourishing cream is clinically proven to provide all-day hydration and revive the appearance of dull and tired skin, leaving it looking more supple, plump, and glowy. Get ready for healthier, youthful-looking skin. Apply on clean skin or after serum. Use daily AM and PM. Okay. I like that. Instead of having one for daytime, one for nighttime, because I do have that going on right now, where I have the ones I use in the day that I have like about 3 I bounce between, and one set one that I always use at night. So having one for both, okay. I'm definitely on board with simplifying. And these I think I see already. Yeah. So these are from Item Beauty. It's a lip gloss duo in Sun and Moon. Apparently it's $32 for the duo. That's what they look like. Hope like hell they're not expired this time, because last time I got Item Beauty things like this from Ipsy, they had mold in the bottom, and I had to reach out to both Ipsy and the company itself to have that remedied, and I was really upset over it. Okay, it's looking pretty opaque. I don't think I'd be able to see it even if there were something in there. So that one is Moon, surprisingly. I thought that one was going to be Sun, but no, that's Moon. And then Sun. Well, I'll read, actually, I'll just read it first. Wear these glosses alone or layered over your favorite lipstick for an extra hit of universally flattering shine. Okay, let's see Sun. I'm actually more excited about this one. I like the name of the other one better, but I like the idea. Yeah! Yeah, I like that one more. That one's more me, let's be real. It's sparkly, it's got more pigment, that's more me, but I'll wear them both, you know me. Oh wait, I have it in upside down. Okay, so that's those. Then, okay, did I see this? Not on page, oh wait, no, yes it is, yes it is. Yep, this is the Stila or Styla, I think it's Stila. Stila Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in Stingray. Is that black? I'm assuming it's black. No one has time for eyeliner that runs, fades, or smears during the day, which is why Addison swears by this long-wearing formula. It holds up against moisture for a full 12 hours. Addison's tip, score a quick smoky eye by smudging this liner along your lash line before it sets. Or, you know, be clumsy like I am and not even mean to smudge it and smudge it before it sets. Works either way! And I think this is the last item in here. Let me double check. Under the padding. Yeah, it is. Okay. So we've got... Alright. By Aceology, the multivitamin brightening biodegradable masks for $59. $59 for 4 masks. 4 fucking masks for $59. Like, just... So that's like $1 off from 60, right? So what's 60 divided by 4? 20? $20? No, that's 3. I'm bad at math, so we're not going to do that. Anyway, but it's a lot of money per mask. Well, I'll use a calculator later on my own time and figure that one out. But anyway, when Addison doesn't have time for a pro facial treatment, she reaches for this sheet mask. It's made with all the good stuff, including vitamins B3, C, and E, to help smooth, brighten, and moisturize skin in minutes. Addison's tip: pop this mask on before a big night out for skin that glows. Or if you're me, just do one every damn day. So anyways, that is it for this Glam Bag X. Although, let's look through what else is in the booklet before we wrap up, okay? So, let's see here. Like, honestly, just glancing through what we could have got, I think I basically got most of the best stuff. So this very much makes up for last time where I was really mad that it seemed like I missed out on all the good, like, really good stuff. So, okay. Oh, I guess the Tula skincare was in here just a little further back. So that one retails for $52. And your products should multitask as well as Addison does. It's the reason she loves this moisturizer. Can be used day and night to help deeply hydrate skin and smooth the look of fine lines and rough texture. Addison's tip: give yourself a soothing and lifting facial massage as you work in this moisture. Okay. So, anyway. Yeah. About the only thing I really missed out on, I guess, is, like, this lipstick here, which may have been too dark for me anyway, but anyway. So, Addison takes the Ipsy quiz. Nickname: most people just call me Addie. A celebrity I'd love to collab with: Jennifer Aniston. God damn it. To me, she encompasses effortless, authentic beauty. Why am I so salty over Jennifer Aniston? My God. With zero limitations, what product would you create? This sounds ridiculous, but a permanent lip stain. And I mean, actually permanent. I mean, she's not wrong. If you get the right color anyway. But if it's the wrong color, then what? Now you're stuck with it permanently forever. We already have this as a product. It's called lip tattoos. But even those fade over time. Anyway, you can only pick one: TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, or Spotify. She circled them all. I wrote all or nothing. Yeah, good girl. Except I would not put TikTok. I'd put the other 3, though. People might be surprised to learn that I have no physical fears. Oh, bite me. My favorite TikToks to watch, people getting tattoos. Ew. 3 products you will always find in my purse: mascara, blush, and tampons. The essentials! Again, she's not wrong. Yeah, then there's like a giveaway, but I don't really care. And then on the back, get the 90s supermodel glam. Here's how makeup artist Tori McConkey created this soft, smoky look using products from Glam Bag X. Honestly, I don't think we really need to, like, read too far into it. It's very basic. It's very basic, but... Brows. No throwback supermodel would be complete without the signature bold, bushy brows. Use a clear brow gel to brush the hairs up and out. Try Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Lids. Brown shadow is a 90s staple. Unfortunately true. I was not really on board with it, but it was very much a thing. Start with a mid-tone matte brown over your lids and through your crease, then layer gradually deeper browns as you get closer to your lashes. Finish with a shimmery mauve at the center of your lids and across your lower lash line. Try Item Beauty on the Daily eyeshadow palette. Liner. Get even more dimension and definition with a bit of smoky eyeliner. Run a black pencil across your upper lash line, making sure to work it in between lashes, then buff it all out using a small angled brush. Try Stila Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in Stingray. Lips. Stick with the monochromatic warm tones on the eyes by popping on a deep burgundy lipstick. This will pull everything together. Try the Woma Black Magic Hypnotic Impact High Shine Lipstick in Love. And that's that. So, anyways, so that was it for this Glam Bag X unboxing, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.